अच्छा।
Good evening, sir.
हेलो संयुक्ता मैम। हेलो रेनू।
Good evening, sir. Sir, I will be absent next 1 week. Maybe I am going to Jabalpur, sir, tomorrow because my sister's husband is sick and he is admitted in hospital. So she needs me to take care of her children and house.
राइट।
If I, whenever I got time, whenever I have time,
हेलो
I
सर।
will watch.
निशात। हम्म। So we were reading this. पटना। पटना जाने का सोच रहा है। इन इंग्लिश।
I think to go to Patna.
गुड इवनिंग
I
सर।
think I go to Patna.
I'm
I'm
thinking
I'm
about going
thinking
to Patna.
I'm thinking to go to Patna. सोच रहे हैं. I am thinking about go to Patna.
Going to Patna. Thinking about
Going to
going.
Patna. I'm thinking of I am thinking going to Patna.
देखो आप कैसे सीख सकते हो। इन इंग्लिश if you think here we
Hmm.
but and the sentence is I just think of eating. The sentence is if I just think of eating. In Hindi
बस सोचने के ही ख्याल से सोचता हूँ केवल सोच रही
क्या सोचता हूँ।
खाने के लिए सोच।
जैसे खाने के बारे में सोचता हूँ.
खाने के बारे में।
क्या अबाउट यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे अभी दिख रहा अबाउट।
नो.
No, no, no. Think of going. Think of eating.
I just think of going to Patna.
ये तो कॉपी पेस्ट हो गया मैम, इसमें तो दिमाग नहीं लगा ना, क्योंकि इस सेंटेंस में हमने बोला अगर हम सोचते भी हैं, राइट।
हम्म.
आई जस्ट थिंक, लेकिन मैंने कहा था मैं सोच रहा हूँ।
हम्म.
अंशु बेटा ध्यान दो, सारे लोग ध्यान दो कि कैसे सीखते हैं। जो लिखा होता है वहां से सीखते हैं। लोग कहते हैं पढ़ने से सीख सीख जाएंगे, सुनने से सीख जाएंगे, कैसे। अगर हम गौर करेंगे कि कौन से वर्ड के बाद कौन सा वर्ड आ रहा है, क्यों आ रहा है। इफ आई जस्ट थिंक ऑफ ईटिंग अदर फूड, यहाँ थिंक के बाद कौन सा वर्ड है, ऑफ।
ओह.
फिर ईटिंग। इसमें
हम्म.
सीखने वाली बात है कि आईएनजी फॉर्म है, यानी कि ईटिंग बोलना है हमेशा। हम अगर खाने के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे, हम पटना जाने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तो ईटिंग थोड़ी बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे?
Going,
Going.
going.
राइट, राइट। तो इफ भी बोलेंगे क्या? हम पटना जाने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं बोलने के लिए, इफ भी बोलेंगे क्या?
I am
No,
thinking of going.
I'm just think. I am thinking of going Patna.
अब आ गया ना समझ में?
I'm
I
thinking
am
of
thinking
Patna.
of going Patna. I'm thinking
I'm
of
thinking of going.
गोइंग पटना की गोइंग टू पटना?
Going to
Going
Patna.
to
going
Patna.
to Patna. Going to Patna.
Going to Patna.
I am thinking.
I'm thinking of going to Patna. I'm thinking of.
Hello, Manisha. I'm in the class, but I made a phone call and I talked to the people. They have asked you to keep the money and the documents ready. Okay. And they need the documents now. 2nd of March को तुम जाना पड़ सकता है वहाँ, ठीक है? यूपी। तो थोड़ा देखिए अगर आप इस बार कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो फिर अगले बार के लिए सोचना, 2nd of March के लिए। ठीक है, मैं बात करता हूँ ऑडिट में, ओके? अभी क्लास में।
Yesterday you said a sentence, sir. Let him not to see. Let का यूज कहाँ कहाँ पे करते हैं सर? थोड़ा सा मुझे ये थोड़ा सा एक दो सेंटेंस और बता के।
यस यस ऑफ कोर्स।
Let him not to see what
टू
he will.
बोला, लेट हिम नॉट सी मैंने कहा होगा, लेट हिम नॉट सी।
Let him
Let
not.
him not see.
Don't allow. Don't
So
allow.
Let him not see.
ओके,
मतलब
Let him go. Let him eat.
तो एक और तरीका है, डोंट लेट हिम सी। डोंट,
Don't let him
don't
see.
let him see.
या,
Don't let him see.
Don't let
इसका
him see.
ऐसे हिंदी क्या हुआ सर?
ओके। लेट मी गो मतलब क्या होता है?
जाने दो.
मुझे जाने दो.
मुझे जाने दो.
लेट हिम गो मतलब क्या होता है?
उसे जाने दो.
उसको जाने
उसे
दो।
जाने दो. उसको जाने दो.
तो फिर लेट हिम सी मतलब क्या होगा?
देखने दो.
उस
डोंट
उसको
लेट हिम,
देखने दो।
डोंट लेट
मत
हिम।
उसको
देखने दो.
देखने मत दो। ओके सर।
उसे मत देखने दो.
ओके सर। डोंट लेट हिम टू सी। लेट हिम सी।
डोंट लेट हिम सी।
डोंट लेट हिम सी। उसको देखने मत दो। अब समझ आया सर।
डोंट लेट हिम यूज अ फोन।
डोंट लेट हिम यूज।
यस।
हिम यूज द फोन। उसको फोन यूज करने मत दो।
राइट, डोंट लेट हिम, डोंट लेट
डोंट
हिम,
लेट हिम यूज द फोन।
डोंट लेट हिम गेट आउट ऑफ होम।
गेट आउट। डोंट लेट हिम
गेट आउट ऑफ होम।
गेट आउट ऑफ।
डोंट लेट हिम
गेट
गेट,
आउट अ फोन।
या डोंट लेट हिम गेट आउट ऑफ होम।
Get out of phone.
उसको
डोंट
फोन
लेट,
यूज करने मत दो।
फोन
घर से बाहर नहीं जाने दो,
उठाने.
घर
Get
से
out
बाहर।
of home.
Get out. Get out of home.
Get out of home.
घर से बाहर नहीं दो।
ओह,
गेट
गेट
आउट।
आउट ऑफ होम। ओके
Get out of home.
ओके सर।
तो इसको कहते हैं वर्ब पैटर्न। इस तरह से गौर करके चीजें सीखते हैं हम लोग। जो आपने कहा था थिंक टू गो टू पटना, ये क्यों गलत हो जाएगा? क्योंकि अभी हमने सीखा ये थिंक टू
थिंक
ईट।
ऑफ सीखा।
तो आपको पता है ना हम क्या सोच रहे हैं दोबारा शादी करने का? बताइए, सबको बताइए, लोगों को। विनय सर दोबारा शादी करने का सोच रहे हैं, बोलिए।
Binoy sir
Uh,
thinking
विनय
of
सर इज
uh,
थिंकिंग
विनय
ऑफ गेटिंग
getting
थिंकिंग
अनदर
ऑफ
another marriage.
थिंकिंग ऑफ
Getting
Vinay
another
सेकंड
sir
marriage.
मैरिज।
is
विनय
thinking
सर
of
थिंकिंग
getting
ऑफ
married.
Thinking
सेकंड
of
मैरिज।
thinking of
गेटिंग
second.
सेकंड मैरिज।
Getting second marriage.
गेटिंग मैरिड अगेन, ओके?
Getting married again.
Married
Getting married
again.
again.
गेट के बाद मैरिज नहीं बोलते, मैरिड बोलते हैं। गेट मैरिड।
Married. Get married again. Yeah.
थिंकिंग।
Okay, people.
Thinking of.
Vinay sir thinking of getting married again.
Vinay sir is thinking.
Vinay sir is thinking of getting married again.
Sir, or Vinay sir is thinking to get married again.
Wrong is wrong English.
टू नहीं यूज करेंगे सर.
No. और ये बात कैसे सीखी आपने?
अच्छा सर.
यहाँ से सीखी ना आपने? अगर बात वो थिंक अगर होता विनय सर इज थिंकिंग टू गेट मैरिड, तो यहाँ क्या होता? इफ आई जस्ट थिंक टू ईट, लिखा होता ना? अगर वो चीज सही होती तो यहाँ क्या लिखा होता?
Thinking,
If
think,
I
just
just
think to,
think of
to
it.
think to eating, think to eating,
eat.
हम्म,
think to eat, think to eat.
सर बट कैसे सर
बोलिए।
पहचान कैसे पाएंगे सर कि
जो
हाँ हमें ऑफ ही यूज
जो
करना है केवल हर बार, क्योंकि
जो
बिकॉज सर वी यूज व्हेन टू
मुझे पता है,
वी
मुझे
यूज
पता
ना
है,
टू.
मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है।
यस सर.
इसीलिए ये लिखा गया है। आराम से सुनिए। जो सामने है वो सीखना है, जो नहीं है वो सीखना नहीं है। जो सामने है वो सीखना है। सामने क्या है?
थिंक ऑफ.
Think of,
Think of. Think of.
think of
ऑफ।
ing.
तो आपने ये सीखा। अगर आप इसको इग्नोर करेंगे तो आप नहीं सीख पाएंगे। हम ये नहीं कहते कि ये पढ़ने से आपको ये पता चल जाता है वो गलत है। हम ये नहीं कहते कि ये पढ़ने से आपको ये पता चल जाता है थिंक टू ईट गलत है। ये हम मानते हैं रेनू। कई बार क्या होता है कि एक चीज सही है, दूसरी चीज भी सही हो जाती है, राइट? लेकिन इतना तो गारंटी कह सकते हैं कि जो सामने है वो तो सही हो गई।
यस सर.
तो हम इसको यूज करना चाहिए जिसके बारे में 100% श्योर है या जिसके बारे में 90% श्योर है।
100% sure.
100% श्योर थिंक ऑफ ईटिंग के बारे में हो सकता है क्योंकि हमारे कोर्स में हमें सिखाया गया ये।
यस.
Yes, sir. Think of.
ठीक है, ये एक लॉजिक है। दूसरा, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ थिंक टू ईट गलत है, ठीक है? कई लोग थिंक टू ईट बोल देते हैं, थिंक टू गो बोल देते हैं। वो गलत इंग्लिश बोलते हैं क्योंकि उनको लगता है सब जगह होता है ना ट्राई टू डू, ये सब तो उस तरह से वो चला सकते हैं। हर एक वर्ब का अपना पैटर्न होता है, सीखना पड़ता है सुन सुन के। मेरी इंग्लिश में वर्ब पैटर्न्स ऑलवेज राइट होते हैं, ऑलवेज। मेरे इंग्लिश में वर्ब पैटर्न्स हमेशा सही होते हैं। मैं जब भी मुंह से इंग्लिश खोल बोलूंगा कुछ भी, तो मेरे वर्ब पैटर्न्स हमेशा करेक्ट जाएंगे, ठीक है? वर्ब पैटर्न्स इंसान कैसे सीखता है? अगर आप ये गौर नहीं करते, जो कि आपने नहीं किया कल, तो आप नहीं जाने। कार खरीदने का सोच रहे हैं?
I'm
I'm
of
thinking of getting a car.
वेरी
get,
गुड।
getting a car. Buying a car. I'm thinking of buying a car.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing. In informal English, sometimes buy can be replaced with the verb get when it is clear, the message is clear. In informal English, buy can be replaced by the verb get. तो मैं फिर बता दूं दोस्तों, मजा कब आए पता है? आप लोग जिन जिन चीजों को स्टैंडर्ड मान के चले हो ना अब तक बचपन से, ठीक है, वो सारी चीजें स्टैंडर्ड कभी थी नहीं। प्रॉब्लम ये है, वो थोड़ा जगह काम कर जाती थी, जितना जगह काम करती थी आपने उतना जगह सीख लिया, ठीक है? वो स्टैंडर्ड नहीं थी। अगर वो स्टैंडर्ड होती तो आपने इस क्लास को ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत समझ में नहीं आती आपको, यू नो, बिकॉज आई विल टेल यू समथिंग। देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव टॉट after learning English with me, they never joined a class. They never
Never
joined a
joined a
class.
Join the class.
What does it mean? उनकी जरूरत पूरी हो गई इस कोर्स से, समझ में आ गए? Isn't that everybody wants the class to be their last class? फिर उनको जरूरत ना समझ में आए क्लास ज्वाइन करने की, they learn new things. Of course they learn new things, but they never join another class.
After completing the course.
Yes, after completing the course, they never feel the need to join a class.
Yeah.
And the reason is very basic. Whatever they need, this course will offer them everything. Most importantly, I just highlighted something that you guys were taking for granted, thing to do. रेनू, आप तो बिल्कुल पक्का जान लेती thing to do होना चाहिए, लेकिन जब मैंने अभी ये बताया तो आपको लग रहा है कैसे नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आप मान के चलिए स्टैंडर्ड उसको. It was never correct. If I had come into your life as a teacher 10 years ago, I would have corrected you back then. I correct some 10, 12-year-old children as well, think to do something, and I correct them, think of doing. And they listen to me and they don't ask questions. They don't ask questions like you. They simply accept it and they correct and they get better. Okay, because आप क्यों पूछ रहे सवाल पता है रेनू? क्योंकि आप बड़े हो चुके हैं और आपको वो चीज लॉजिकली सही लगी थी. समझ में आ रही बात? लेकिन वो थी नहीं, किसी ने करेक्ट किया नहीं था. लेकिन जो 12-14 साल के लोग होते हैं उनको जब हम करेक्ट कर देते हैं, ना ना ना, डोंट से थिंक टू डू, से थिंक ऑफ डूइंग. ओके सर, उनको टेंशन नहीं होता, वो बस उसके बाद फॉलो करने लगते हैं उस चीज को. ठीक है. एंड क्या मायने रखता है करेक्ट इंग्लिश, समझना, बोलना, लिखना, राइट? वो उनको टीचर नहीं बनना, तो ये नहीं पूछने जाते कि क्यों हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. हाँ, लेकिन हम बड़े हो जाते तो हमारे मन में सवाल बहुत आते हैं. यही वजह है कि व्हाई दिस कोर्स इज एक्सपेंसिव. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, ऑन यूट्यूब कोई भी कोर्स जो लोग बेच रहे हैं ज्यादातर 1000, 500, 1500 रुपए ज्यादा के कोर्स नहीं बेचते. ठीक है. एंड इंडिविजुअल्स without thinking the second time, thinking about it twice, without thinking about it twice, they buy the course. क्योंकि 1000-1500 रुपए खर्च करने में किसी को अजीब नहीं लगता. Okay, but I charge a huge amount of 7,000 rupees. Right? Why? Because I told you, वो सारी चीजें जिसको स्टैंडर्ड मान के आप बैठे हो, that's not standard. That's all. वो तरीके से आपको एक सर्टेन डिस्टेंस कवर करने को मिलेगा, उसके बाद आप अटकोगे ही अटकोगे. यू विल ऑलवेज फील देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग. हमने कल इस बारे में कितने सेंटेंसेस बुलवाए थे?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We practiced maybe 4-5 sentences yesterday.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
डिस्पाइट दैट रेनू, आपने कल नहीं बोला कि सर थिंक टू डू, नहीं बोल रहे हो आप. कल नहीं बोले, गौर करिएगा रेनू. और आज जब मैंने आपसे बुलवाया तो आपने वो सवाल पूछा है. इससे क्या पता चला? कल आप इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाए थे कि वो थिंक टू डू गलत है और ये सही है. कल ही पूछ लेते तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. हाँ या ना? कि जब मैं एग्जांपल्स दे रहा था. सारे लोग समझिएगा कौन सी बात महसूस करने की है. क्या इफ बोले इस बात को बोलने के लिए कि मैं कार खरीदने की सोच रहा हूं?
No.
No, sir.
आई थिंक बोले कि आई एम थिंकिंग बोले?
I'm thinking.
I think of बोला था. I think of when I just think of talking to sir, I feel anxious. When
वो
I
तो हो
just
गया.
think of my
उसकी हिंदी हो
second
गई
marriage, I feel
युक्ता मैम,
anxious.
उसकी तो हिंदी हो गई कि मैं जब सोचता हूं, लेकिन मैंने तो कहा कि मैं दोबारा शादी करने का सोच रहा हूं. तो आई थिंक बोलूं कि आई एम थिंकिंग बोलूं?
I'm thinking.
I'm
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 thinking of
thinking, sir.
getting married.
I
मैरिड.
am thinking of getting married.
Getting married.
मैं पटना जाने का सोच रहा था.
I
I am
I was
thinking
I
of
was
I
thinking
was
of
thinking
going to
I
Patna.
was thinking of
going to
Patna.
Patna.
I was thinking
Going to
Patna.
I was thinking of going to Patna.
एवरीबॉडी इज विद मी ऑन दिस. सब लोग मेरे साथ इस बात से एग्री करें. आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग टू पटना.
I was
Yes,
thinking
yes.
of going to Patna. Yeah,
I was
आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग टू पटना.
going to Patna.
मैंने अपनी पत्नी को डिवोर्स देने का कभी ख्याल भी नहीं लाया, कभी सोचा भी नहीं है.
I never been.
I never
thought.
I
Never
never
have thought.
I
Never have
never
thought.
have thought
I never have thought of giving divorce to my
to
wife.
my wife.
or to
Well done,
giving divorce to my
Shubhangi, well
wife.
done.
never thought.
I never even thought
Never even thought. I have um
I have never
given
even thought.
I've never even thought.
क्या नहीं सोचा? I have never even thought.
Of
I never,
giving
I've
divorce of
never
my
even
wife.
even
div
thought of
Of
giving
giving
divorce to my
divorce.
wife.
to give divorce to my
Of
wife.
giving.
Of
To
giving,
giving
of giving,
of
of giving
giving divorce
Divorce.
divorce
to
to
my
my
wife.
wife.
Of giving divorce.
चलो मैं सिखाता हूँ, गौर से सुनना। सही है आप लोग, बट एक और तरीका सीखो। I have never even thought of divorcing my wife.
Divorcing my
I've
wife.
never, I've never even
Never
thought
thought of divorcing
of
my wife.
given, of,
Of
of
thought.
divorcing, of
Divorcing.
divorcing to my wife.
Divorcing to my wife.
Divorcing to my wife.
My
All right. I've never even thought of divorcing my wife. Got it. Next. If I just think of eating other food, I feel anxious. And then I feel sick. I feel sick. Normally, sick has multiple meanings. It means bimar, and it also means, vomiting. Let me explain. Sick is an adjective. I feel sick.
Yes.
I feel sick when I see blood.
Yes.
Does anybody feel sick when they see blood?
no, I never feel sick when I see blood.
Anybody here, do you feel sick when you see blood? Some people feel sick when they see blood. They feel like vomiting. Do you feel sick on the train, on the bus, sorry, on the bus? Do you feel sick on the bus?
Yes. Yes.
I feel sick on the bus.
I hope you understand, guys. So this is one meaning. Okay. I get sick on the bus. क्या हो इसका मतलब?
हो जाता हूँ,
मैं बस में
बस
बीमार
में
हो
हो
जाता
जाता हूँ।
हूँ।
हो जाती हूँ। That's it.
संयुक्ता मैम, थोड़ा सा तो हमें एक्स्ट्रा अपना दिमाग लगाना। आप एकदम तुरंत बोल देती हैं, और वो भी जो आपको नहीं बोलना चाहिए। आप मुझे बताइए, कोई बस में बीमार हो जाता है?
No.
उल्टी
मतलब
कर
फीलिंग हो जाता है सर, फीलिंग हो जाता है।
कौन सी फीलिंग मैम?
एंग्सियस,
Unconscious.
एंग्सियस मतलब
No,
मैम,
फील
वॉमिटिंग,
करने,
वॉमिटिंग का, वॉमिटिंग।
वॉमिटिंग का फीलिंग हो जाता है।
वो आपको बोलना था। जब मैंने कहा था आई फील सिक ऑन द बस, रेनू फील सिक ऑन द बस, उनको उल्टी जैसे उबकाई आती है बस में, उल्टी जैसी
यस
फीलिंग।
यस यस यस
और
यस।
मैंने फील सिक के बाद कह दिया आई गेट सिक ऑन द बस। अब क्या हुआ? उल्टी हो जाती
बस में
है।
हो जाती है।
उल्टी हो जाती
देखो
है।
दोस्तों, देर आर टू थिंग्स आपको महसूस करना है। एक होता है फीलिंग आना उल्टी का, तो आप बोलेंगे आई फील सिक, एंड देन
Yeah,
फील,
I feel sick, but
डोंट गेट सिक
I don't get sick.
डोंट
Yeah.
very often. You feel sick, but you don't get sick on the bus. Renu,
I've never sick. I've
never been
never
sick. I've never
feel.
been sick
Yeah.
आई नेवर बीन sick in the bus.
on the
I
bus.
I felt
I've never,
sick on the
I've
bus.
never got sick on the bus.
Very good,
Yeah.
Subha. Very good, everybody. Good job. All of you are learning fast. संयुक्ता मैम, गौर से समझिएगा इस बात को। फील सिक, वोमिटिंग सा फील करना। फील,
यस,
गेट सिक, गेट सिक,
कर देना
हो
मतलब
हो जाना, हो जाना,
I get
okay?
हो जाना।
I
My
got
younger
sick.
daughter gets sick in the bus, sir.
On the bus, ma'am.
On the bus. My younger daughter gets sick
Gets,
on the bus.
yeah.
Gets sick.
Yeah, she gets sick on the bus. Yeah. All right. Guys, I hope you understand. Renu, you also get sick on the bus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And anybody get sick on the jhula, on the big jhula? Rides?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I get sick
Mm.
on the big
I
jhula.
have never. I also get sick.
Mm.
I have never
Okay.
got sick.
You've never got sick on that,
No,
but
sir.
you get sick on the bus.
Yeah, sir.
But I get frightened.
Of course.
Yes, sir. I get frightened. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
my mom get on the sick on Jhula.
Repeat, Anshu.
My mom get on the sick. Sorry, on the Jhula. On the Jhula.
Hmm. फिर से?
I get sick. My mom get sick on the Jhula.
Good, Anshu. ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, सो दैट इज द थिंग। याद रखना, तुम लोगों को हिंदी में बोलूं, घिसट घिसट के आगे बढ़ना है। कैसे?
जी
Yes,
सर।
sir. Okay.
और जो घिसटने से रोक देगा अपने आप को कि हम तो नहीं घिसटेंगे, हम तो एक दिन दौड़ेंगे सीधे, ठीक है, वो कभी नहीं दौड़ेगा। जो घिसटने से अभी मना कर रहे हैं ना, बिकॉज आई कैन सी हाउ बिग स्ट्रगल इट इज फॉर यू। आप सब लोग के लिए बहुत स्ट्रगल आई कैन सी, पता है, मैंने बताया होगा आपको दैट
Yes, sir.
यू नो my another class I started with you, and there I'm teaching unit 10. I'm going to start unit 11, okay? And we haven't even started unit 9 in this class. Why? Because we go slow here, because it takes us longer to understand a lot of things here. तो ये अगर एक्नॉलेज कर ले हम कि हम स्लो सीख रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं है, स्लो सीख रहे हैं, क्लास स्लो नहीं चल रहा, क्या हो रहा है, स्लो सीख
Slow
रहे हैं।
seeker.
सीख रहे हैं. We are learning slow.
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स, देयर इज नो अदर थिंग। तो मैंने अभी कहा आप घिसट रहे हैं, घिसटने का मतलब समझ रहे हैं ना, एक होता है आराम से आगे बढ़ना, नहीं
धीरे
आप
धीरे
मुश्किल
धीरे.
से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। लेकिन आप मुश्किल से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, मत मत परवाह करिए, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, यू स्टार्ट टू फील कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू विल स्टार्ट टू रन वन डे, ओके? सो जस्ट टेक प्राइड इन इट दैट इट इज हार्ड बट यू आर डूइंग इट। और एक और चीज बताना है आप लोगों को, कि अगर आप इस घिसटने का टाइम कम करना चाहते हो, ताकि जल्दी से दौड़ सको, तो आप एक चीज करते रहना है आपको, रोज ऑडियो फाइल सुनिए, जितनी मैंने भेजी है सारी, और जो मिसिंग है वो मुझसे मांगिए। लिसन टू द ऑडियो फाइल्स एवरी डे। और सुनते, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना है, सुनते समय आपका दिमाग को एक्टिव रखना है, क्या बोल रहा है, कौन सा वर्ड्स बोल रहा है, किस फॉर्म में बोल रहा है, गौर करते रहिए, उसका मतलब निकालने की कोशिश करिए, और जिसका मतलब ना निकले उसको उसको मेरे पास ले आइए। सो दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू व्हेन यू आर नॉट इन द क्लास, लिसन टू इंग्लिश। लेट्स सी।
सर इसको कैसे सर बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? सर मैं
विच
झूले पे कभी ऐसे मतलब पेट भर के खाना खा के कभी झूलती ही नहीं हूँ।
हाँ, आई नेवर गो ऑन द राइड आफ्टर अ बिग मील। क्या इजी है ना रेनू, इंग्लिश इजी है, बशर्ते आप उसको हिंदी से ना बोले तो, है ना? आप
अच्छा।
पेट भर के खाना खा के, अब कहाँ से लाई ये सारा वर्ड्स ला नहीं
यस सर।
सकते ना। तो मैंने कहा कि, और अगर आपने मुझसे आज से 20 साल पहले, 25 साल पहले पूछा होता तो मैं भी फंसता, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी एक्सपोजर नहीं था रेनू। आई वॉज ऑल्सो बिहार शिव का इंडियन गाइस क्या पढ़ते हैं इंग्लिश, पता है ना, टेंस, वॉइस, नरेशन, उसको इंग्लिश कहते हैं हम लोग। जिसको अच्छा आ गया वो टीचर बन जाता है, हाँ कि ना?
यस सर।
Yes.
मैंने क्या बोल दिया, आई
Without
डोंट गेट ऑन अ राइड आफ्टर अ बिग मील, क्या ही था बताइए, तो कितना ही आसान एग्जाम्पल बना आपके लिए,
यस सर।
कि लर्निंग इंग्लिश इज इजी इफ यू जस्ट कीप हिंदी आउट।
यस सर।
तो इसलिए मैंने अभी क्या कहा था, कीप लिसनिंग टू द ऑडियो फाइल्स, बिकॉज आई नो योर प्रॉब्लम्स गाइस। आपका एक्सपोजर बहुत बहुत छोटा है, यू हैव वेरी लिटिल एक्सपोजर, वेरी लिटिल, यू नीड मोर एंड मोर एक्सपोजर, ताकि ये सेंटेंसेस नेचुरली आए आपके मुंह पे। लेट्स सी।
without net audio file will be play, sir.
यस
Yeah.
मैम। लेट्स कंटिन्यू। Andrew trained for years to be a chef. He trained for years to be a chef.
Years to
ये
be a chef.
इसको दूसरे, अभी इसकी हिंदी नहीं करके हम लोग इसको समझेंगे इस तरह से, एंड्रू डिड नॉट बिकम अ शेफ विदाउट अ ट्रेनिंग, विदाउट एनी ट्रेनिंग। ही ट्रेन्ड फॉर years to be a chef. He did not become a chef just like that. He trained for years to be a chef. Okay, people. A lot of teachers of English have no training. They just become teachers because they understand tense and voice and narration. So they start teaching. And they are called teachers because they get tense right. They understand tense correctly. And that's why they are teachers. teaching is not about learning tense and teaching tense. Teaching English is about the language. Like just like I helped Renu. She has such a lengthy sentence in Hindi. पेट भर के खाना खा के. And what did I say? After a big meal. Which is exactly what she was saying. Andrew trained for years to be a chef. Do you know your teachers have had any training or not? When I was young, I was again, have you seen a cat's baby and a tiger's baby? They look exactly the same. A cat's baby, a tiger's baby look exactly the same. No difference when they're small. But as time passes, the cat's baby remains like a cat, and the tiger's baby continues to grow, and changes. So I also started like those teachers you find on YouTube, teaching tense and voice and narration. I also knew only that much. But because my hunger was much bigger, I did not stay there. I did not stop at tense, voice, and narration. I knew English was more. So it was all about your understanding of the language. Don't think of English as a subject. Think of English as a language. Let's continue. Andrew trained for years to be a chef. I know exactly what foods go well together. He knows exactly what foods go well together. He doesn't make bad combinations. A chef, a chef designs new meals. You know that, right? A chef designs new dishes. A chef is not somebody who just cooks. A chef creates new dishes. Do you know that?
Yes.
So when you create a new dish, you have to bring 2-3 things together, a dish that nobody has made. It means you have to think of new ideas, right? New ideas means you should know what foods go well together and what foods do not go well together. Like most of us have some basic ideas. Would you like to cook maybe? Okay, when I was a young boy, my mother said milk and chicken do not go together. Okay, they don't
Yes,
go well
yes.
together. But when I grew up, I learned there are so many recipes we cook where we use milk and chicken. We use curds
Yeah,
and
yeah.
chicken. All right.
Curd with chicken, yes, sir.
Yeah, very common. So these chefs know which foods go well together. They know, right? They know exactly what foods go well together. He's very good at his job. He is very good at his
Good
job.
at
He
his
knows.
job.
Yeah, he knows exactly what foods go well
Exactly. What
together.
would go well together?
When I'm in my kitchen and I make something, when I'm in my kitchen and I make something, I think, this smells delicious. When I'm in my kitchen, in Hindi,
मैं
जब मैं
जब
किचन में
किचन में
होता हूँ और मैं कुछ बनाता हूँ,
when I'm in my kitchen, right? अंशु को बोलना हिंदी इसका. When I'm in my kitchen, अंशु हिंदी करो.
जब मैं किचन में रहता हूँ,
ठीक है. अभी when को छोड़ दो. बोलो I'm in my kitchen. हिंदी बोलो.
जब मैं अपने किचन में
मैंने
रहती
कहा
हूँ,
when हटा दो, when छोड़ दो. I said that. Did you hear me? When छोड़ दो.
या
बोलो I'm in my kitchen.
मैं अपने किचन में हूँ,
Yes. गौर करिए कि आपके when लगाने से कितने सारे वर्ड्स बदल गए. I'm in my kitchen मतलब मैं किचन में हूँ, right? But when I'm in my kitchen मतलब हो गया जब मैं किचन में होती हूँ, जब मैं किचन में होता हूँ, जब मैं किचन में रहता हूँ, राइट? मेरा फोन तभी बजता है जब हम क्लास में रहते हैं. माय फोन रिंग्स
rings
when I
when I am in a class,
if I am in my
when I am in my class.
Okay,
when I'm
my
in the
phone always rings when I'm in my class. Right? My phone always rings when I'm in my class. Okay. While भी बोल सकते हैं, गलत नहीं है. When I'm in my kitchen and I make something, I think, this smells delicious. When I'm in my kitchen and I make something, I think, this smells delicious. He likes the smell of the food that he cooks now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He likes the
food.
he likes the
That
smell,
Smell of the
the
mere
smell
Smell of
of
the
the
food.
that he
of the
cooks,
food.
Like the
right?
smell of the.
He likes the smell because he's, this smells delicious. When he makes something, he thinks, this
Mm,
This
smells delicious.
smells delicious.
It means he likes the smell of the food he cooks.
Mm.
I'd love to taste what I cook. I'd love to taste what I cook. I'd
I'd love
love
to
to
taste
taste
I would
what
love
I
to.
what I
cook.
मैं
cook.
टेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ ये
But
मैं
no,
पकाता
please don't translate into Hindi. Try to grow out of that habit, okay, Renu? I'd love to taste what I cook, but I can't.
I would love to taste
He
what I
wants to taste what he cooks, but he can't.
Mm.
If you want to understand this sentence, I can say this too. He wants to taste what he cooks, but he can't. He has a problem, right?
Yeah. Mm.
He says, other chefs tell me if it needs more salt or more sugar.
More
Other
sugar.
chefs tell him, other chefs help him actually. You know,
Yeah.
he likes the smell and everything, great, but he can't taste the food. He can't taste and
Taste the
tell
food.
it needs more salt, it needs more sugar. He can't do that. For that, he needs help from other people. Other chefs test and tell him if it needs more salt or more sugar. Okay. So if the food needs more salt, if the food needs more salt or more sugar, he can't decide, right? Other chefs help him. They tell him the food needs more salt, the food needs more sugar. Who tells him? Other chef.
Others,
other
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 chef.
chefs
chefs
tell him.
Tell him.
tell him.
Other chefs tell him, okay,
Okay, like,
Yeah.
food needs
whether
more.
whether or not the food
Wow.
needs more salt or more sugar, right? So he depends a little bit on other chefs. This fear makes life difficult. Oh, just a second. There are too many mosquitoes in the room. I am surrounded by mosquitoes. I need to do something about it. Actually, sometimes I don't mind mosquitoes because I like, swatting them. I like killing them. Okay. Uh, I'm going to say something disgusting. When I hit the mosquito and I feel the, ball type mosquito under my hand, it feels good. When you kill the mosquito and it becomes round when you move your hand like this, and that feel under your hand feels so good, like I just killed one. Okay, it feels so good. So sometimes I don't mind, a few mosquitoes around me. But right now, while I'm teaching, they're kind of distracting me. Okay, so I was talking about this. Guys, can you understand in English there are clauses? In English there are clauses. क्या होते हैं clauses? Let me explain. देखो, other chefs tell me. In this part, you have a subject, other chefs, and you have a verb, tell. So when you have a subject and verb combination, you call it a clause. Okay, students? A subject and a verb together is called a
Cause.
clause. Okay? So you see one clause here, other chefs tell me. There is a
Tell me.
clause here, right? Other
Yeah,
chefs
yeah.
tell me. In Hindi, दूसरे chefs मुझे बताते हैं,
बताते
right?
हैं.
Okay. And then you have another clause. It needs more salt. Can you see?
Yeah.
It needs more salt. Here the subject is it, means the food. Okay? The food needs more salt or more sugar. Okay, everybody? The food needs more salt or more sugar. So there are two clauses. Other chefs tell me if it needs more salt or more sugar. There are two clauses. One clause is other chefs tell me, and another clause is it needs more salt. I'm giving you two clauses to you. Okay, I'm giving you two clauses. Try and connect them. Try and connect them. I am old. I am weak. Connect them.
I am old and I am
I am
weak.
old,
Very good.
also I am weak.
That's correct, Renu. I am old, so I am weak. तो आपने कनेक्ट किया ना? बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. Now, I'm giving you another, two more clauses. Connect them, okay? I hope and I pass my exam. Connect them.
I hope.
I hope I
I
pass
hope.
my exam.
I
I
hope
hope. I
I
hope
pass
that
my
I pass my
I
exam.
hope that. Yeah, yeah.
I hope,
I hope
yeah,
that
I pass.
I
I
pass
hope
my
that
exam.
I pass my
I
exam.
will pass my exam.
Very
hope that.
good, very nice. Good job. Okay. Now, listen to this, okay? She's beautiful. She's not nice. There are two
She is
She
clauses.
is beautiful.
She is
She is
beautiful,
She is
beautiful,
beautiful,
even
but
though
she is not nice.
But
she is not
But
nice.
she is not nice.
she is beautiful, but she isn't nice.
Very good, very nice. Okay. And I'm giving you two more, okay? I want to know, does she love me?
I want to know if she
To
loves
know
me.
if
I want
If
to
does she
know.
love me?
I want to know.
I want to know.
Does she love me?
I want to know, does she love me?
I want to know that
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 does she
does
love
she
me?
No.
Okay.
I want to know that
Can you repeat my clauses?
I want to know
I want to know.
Does she love
Does
me?
she love me?
does she love me?
she is beautiful, but she is not nice.
वो छोड़ दीजिए मैं लास्ट वाले के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking about the last one.
I want to know that.
I want to know that
Does she
I
love
want
me?
to know
does she
that.
love me? Does she love me?
Yeah.
मैंने आपके क्या सेंटेंस
That-
को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया संयुक्ता मैम. आप रिपीट कर
That
रही हैं,
नहीं
गलत चीज को बार बार बोल रही हैं, पता है. और इससे आदत बन जाएगी. मैंने आपको कल भी कहा है कि आप ना एक बार बोल के निश्चिंत हो जाइए, ठीक है. अगर उसमें कुछ गलतियां होंगी तो मैं गलतियों के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ और गलत ही है वो, ठीक है. मैं सिखाता हूँ, गौर से सुनिए. बिकॉज इसमें जो दूसरा क्लॉज है वो है डज शी लव मी. यस नो क्वेश्चन है ना वो.
Yes, sir.
तो जब दूसरा क्लॉज कभी भी यस नो क्वेश्चन होगा तो जोड़ने के लिए अपने मन से या तो इफ या वेदर लगा लीजिएगा. सो शुभांकर यू वर करेक्ट द फर्स्ट टाइम.
No. If she love me.
डज आई
Does she
वांट
love
टू
me?
नो, आई वांट टू नो.
I want to know whether
If
does she
She-
love me?
नो मैम.
If she love me.
मैम जैसे मैंने बताया वेदर या इफ लगा ले, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसके बाद डज शी लव मी लिख दे, उसके बाद उसको सीधा सीधा स्टेटमेंट बना दे. आई
If
वांट
she
टू
loves me.
यस
if she
अदी
loves
She love
me. She
whether
आई
loves
वांट टू
me.
नो इफ शी लव्स मी.
If she loves
if she
me.
loves.
Everybody, did you
I
learn
want
this?
to know.
Yes.
Yes. I want to know if she loves me.
I want to know if
I
she
want
loves
to
me.
know if she loves me.
Okay, और सुनिए. He asked, "Are you coming home?"
He asked if no.
He asked
If she coming
if
home.
if she
come-
coming home.
Okay, good, very good, very good. चलिए और देता हूँ, ठीक है?
Coming home.
She asked me. Okay, एक clause was she asked me. दूसरा, is he rich?
She asked
He
me.
asked me if
Uh,
Is he
He
rich?
she asked,
Is he rich?
is she rich? Is she
he
rich?
asked me if
If she
she is rich. She is rich. If she is
if she
rich.
is rich. He
Very
asked
good,
me.
Shubhankar. Well done, Shubhankar. Okay. I want to know. एक से क्लॉज हो गया. दूसरा क्लॉज, Are you coming to the party?
I want to know whether
I
you
want to
coming
I
to
know
want
party
to
or
know
not.
Whether
whether you
you
are
coming
coming
to
to
the
party.
party, where
you
You
are
are
whether
coming
you
to the
coming.
coming
You
to
party.
are
party,
coming.
you are
You are
coming to
coming.
party
You
or
are
not.
coming.
To the party.
I want to know whether you want to come to the, whether you are coming to the party. I want to know if you are coming to the party. I hope you understand, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are done. Let's move on. Other chefs tell me if it needs more salt or more sugar. दो clause में तोड़ दीजिए इसको. Break it down into two clauses.
Other chefs tell
Other
me
chefs
it
tell me
needs
Sir,
more
tell
salt
me,
or
it
sugar.
needs more salt or sugar
does it
or more
need
sugar.
Thank you,
more
Renu.
salt or
Well
more
done, Renu.
sugar?
Good job, Renu.
Other chefs tell
Yes.
me
दो
it
clause
needs more
Others
salt or what?
said,
Or
Does
told
it need
me
more
Other
does
if
it
chefs tell
it
me,
need more
does it
salt or
need
more.
more salt?
more salt or sugar more and more
Okay.
sugar?
समझ गए दोस्तों? तो
Yes, sir.
जब हमारा जो दूसरा क्लॉज होगा, यस नो क्वेश्चन होगा, तो उसको इफ लगा के जोड़ते हैं, और खाली इफ लगा के जस के तस नहीं लिखते, उसको स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं, वो डज वज हटा देते हैं, क्वेश्चन वाला है। और सुनिए और सुनिए और सुनिए, शी आस्क्ड मी कैन ही डांस। दो बातों को जोड़ना है।
She asked me if
She
he can
asked
dance.
me
she
he
asked
She
me
can
can
dance.
dance.
if she
If
dance,
she can dance, she asked me
if
if she
she
can dance.
आस्क मी पास्ट टेंस है ना दोस्तों, शी आस्क्ड मी पास्ट टेंस ना।
Oh, if she could
If
dance,
he could dance,
she
if
could
he could
यस
dance.
dance.
यस,
Dance.
शी आस्क्ड मी इफ ही कुड डांस।
Hmm.
चलिए रुकिए, थोड़ा सा और आसान कर देता हूं संयुक्ता मैम आपके लिए। ओके, रेनू आस्क्ड मी कैन शुभांकर डांस। रेनू
Renu
आस्क्ड
asked
मी,
me
asked
Shubhankar
Renu
could
asked
dance.
me Shubhankar could dance. Yes.
आपने इफ लगाया
If
संयुक्ता मैम जोड़ने के लिए?
If
if
Shubhankar is
नहीं,
there.
if
Shubhankar could
क्यों नहीं
dance.
If
लगाया मैम?
Shubhankar,
मैंने
if
आपको
Shubhankar.
बोला था जब यस नो क्वेश्चन होगा तो इफ लगा के जोड़ेंगे या वेदर लगा के उसको कनेक्ट करेंगे, लिंक करने के लिए दो में से किसी की जरूरत होगी। बताया था मैंने।
oh, yes sir.
क्यों नहीं लगाया फिर? ध्यान नहीं रहा।
If she could dance, if he could dance,
If Shubhankar could dance. Renu asked me
if
if
he
Shubhankar could
could
dance.
dance, if Shubhankar could dance.
इसका मतलब क्या हो दोस्तों? रेनू ने मुझसे क्या पूछा था?
Shubhankar dance
मुझे
कर सकता
डांस
है?
करना
if
आता है कि या नहीं?
रेनू के मुंह से
नहीं,
क्या
तुम
शब्द
डांस
निकले
कर
थे?
पाओगे कि नहीं?
रेनू के मुंह से क्या शब्द निकले थे? कैन शुभांकर डांस।
Can
बाद में जब मैंने इसको
Shubhankar
जोड़ा तो मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया, इफ शुभांकर
Shubhankar
could
could
dance.
dance?
Can
ओके, चलिए
Shubhankar
आगे
dance?
बढ़ते हैं।
Hmm.
Other chefs tell me if it needs more salt or more sugar. This fear makes life difficult for Andrew. This fear makes life difficult for Andrew.
Andrew.
And
Fear makes life difficult for Andrew. This fear makes life difficult for Andrew.
Difficult for Andrew.
This fear is playing a role. It makes his life difficult.
Difficult.
Okay?
yes, for
This
Andrew.
fear makes life difficult for Andrew. Okay? He has a fear of food now. Do you know, everybody? He has a fear of food.
He,
Beautiful.
he has a
Yeah.
fear of food.
This fear makes life difficult for Andrew and his girlfriend. Of course, Caroline Lister. Caroline Lister is
His girlfriend.
Andrew
Andrew's girlfriend.
Andrew
Foster's
Foster's
girlfriend.
girlfriend.
yeah, because we can
Andrew
see the
Foster's
comma here. His girlfriend, comma, Caroline Lister. We
girlfriend.
can't go out for meals with friends. We can't go out for meals with friends. We can't go out
Can't
for
go out
For
for
meals.
meals
For meals
with
with
friends.
friends.
we can't go out for meals
Go
with
out.
friends. खाना खाने नहीं जा पाते हम लोग दोस्तों के साथ. We can't go out for meals with friends. Andrew can't
Friends.
go out for meals with friends because he doesn't eat regular food. She says, and we can't go to friends' weddings either. And we can't go to friends' weddings either. And we can't go to friends' weddings either.
Either.
Understand the use of either here. One thing we can't do, another thing we can't do either. Understand? Okay. I can't speak French. I can't speak Russian either.
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 Okay.
Either.
I am not God. I am not devil either. Okay. I'm not God. I'm not devil either.
Either.
Don't
Yeah.
go. I don't go walk. I
Go for a
don't
walk
walk on morning.
in the morning. I don't walk in the
I
morning.
don't go walk in the morning, and I don't
Go for
go
a walk. Go for a walk
go for a walk in the evening
either.
either.
Yeah.
I
So
don't smoke. I don't drink alcohol either.
very good, Shubhankar. Okay. So that is the use of either. Okay. I don't love A. I don't love B either. I don't love you. I don't hate you either. Okay. Understand? Any
Yes, sir.
problem? मैं तुम्हें प्यार नहीं करता लेकिन मैं तुम्हें नफरत भी नहीं करता हूँ. I don't love you, but I don't hate you either. Okay.
Either. Either.
We can't go to friends' weddings either. Notice friends' weddings. दोस्तों की शादी. दोस्तों
Friends.
plural friends. पहले friends लिख लो, दोस्तों लिख लो, उसके बाद apostrophe लगाओ, दोस्तों की शादी. Weddings, friends' weddings either. Andrew would like to eat everything like other people. He would like to eat everything like other people. Like
Everything.
other people eat everything. He would like to eat everything like other people.
Other people.
Andrew wants to eat
To
everything
eat
like other
everything
people.
like other people.
But it's not possible. But it's just not possible. He has a real problem. Andrew appeared on a TV program. He went on a TV program.
TV
Okay.
program.
TV program.
He appeared on a TV program
TV
called
program.
Freaky Eaters.
Freaky.
Okay. He appeared on a TV program called
pro-
Freaky Eaters. The
Eaters.
name of the
Eaters.
program was
Freaky
Freaky
Eaters.
Freaky
Freaky eaters.
not
Freaky
Fussy
Eaters.
Eaters, not Fussy Eaters, Freaky Eaters.
Freaky
Freaky
eaters.
Eaters.
Freaky
Okay.
eaters.
So tell me, fussy is an adjective, freaky is also an adjective. Fussy eaters, freaky eaters. What kind of eaters? Fussy eaters. What
Freaky
kind of
eaters.
freaky eaters?
Freaky Eaters.
Freaky eaters.
Do you remember fussy eaters? I don't like this, I don't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Doing a lot of drama.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doing a lot.
But what is freaky eaters? Do you want to know what freaky eaters means?
Freaky.
Keep reading. Just keep reading, you will know. Okay? Keep reading, you will learn. So he appeared
Those
on a
who have such a very different, very difficult kind of eating habit.
yeah,
That's
right, right.
different.
Exactly. Andrew appeared on a TV program called Freaky Eaters. He is now getting help from a psychologist. He is now getting help.
Getting help.
He's getting help from a psychologist.
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 Psychologist. Psychologist.
He's now getting help from a psychologist.
Psychologist.
No, Shvankar, psychologist.
Psychologist. Psychologist.
Psychologist.
Psychologist.
Psychologist.
No, cologist.
Psychologist.
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 No,
Psychologist.
Shvankar, I'll help you. You can understand and learn easily.
Psychologist.
Let me help. So break it down into two parts. Okay. First time we'll say psy.
Psy.
Second part we'll say co.
Call.
And then we'll say logist.
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 Psychologist.
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 But stress on co, psychologist.
Psychologist. Psychologist.
Okay, psychologist. It's a little difficult, Shubhankar. You will keep listening and then you will learn the pronunciation. Okay? Psychologist.
Psychologist.
अच्छा ऐसे करते हैं psychologist. Perfect. Psychologist. Perfect. He's now getting help from a psychologist and a food expert. And a food expert is also helping him. Two people are helping him. A psychologist is helping him and a food expert is helping him. Okay? He's now getting help from these two people. to help him try different foods. You know, they are suggesting try these foods, try those foods. They are helping him try different foods, okay? Also on the program was a man who only likes eating meat. So he was not the only person on the program. There were other people as well. The name of the program was Freaky Eaters. And one of them was Andrew. Andrew was also on the show. So other people were also like Andrew, strange type of eating habits. Freaky eaters have strange eating habits or regular eating habits? Freaky eaters?
Strange
Strange
eating
eating
habits.
habits. Strange eating
Right.
habits.
Okay. Also on the program was a man who only likes eating meat. This man only likes eating meat. He
Eating meat.
eats just meat. This man eats biscuits, Andrew.
Mm.
And there was another man on the show, on the program. There was a man on the program, and that man only likes eating meat. Unfortunately, his girlfriend is a vegetarian. That man's girlfriend is a vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
His girlfriend is a vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Yeah. अगर
Vegetarian.
girlfriend नहीं समझ में आता है तो wife सोच लेना. His wife is a vegetarian. Okay. He can't kiss her unless he brushes his teeth. Obviously, because he eats meat only all the time and she's a vegetarian. He can't kiss her unless he brushes his teeth. Unless हम लोगों ने एक कंडीशन है ना, किस करने के लिए क्या कंडीशन है?
Brush his teeth.
He
ब्रश करना
brushes
पड़ेगा.
he brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth.
Teeth.
हाँ, तो unless से हम लोग कंडीशन डाल देते हैं. He can't kiss her unless he brushes his teeth. Unless what? Unless what?
He brushes his
Unless
He brushes his teeth.
only.
Yeah, he can't kiss her unless he brushes his
He
teeth.
brushes
Brushes
his
his teeth.
अच्छा, people cannot enter my class unless
Unless
I order.
without
You
doing
order.
homework.
no, easy. Unless they take admission. Unless they take admission.
Unless they take
admission.
People can't
they take
enter my class unless they take admission.
Admission. Unless they take admission.
All right. In India, girls don't have babies. आगे बोलिए.
Unless he
Unless
gets married.
married. Unless
They
he's
get
getting
unless they
married.
get married.
Unless
In
they
India,
get
girls don't have
unless they
babies
get-
unless they get married. In many
Unless they
countries,
get
girls have babies, right? Before they get married. But in India, they don't have babies unless they get married.
Getting married.
Unless they get married.
भैया हम तुमको 1 रुपया नहीं देंगे. कंडीशन क्या है? पैसा देंगे. अगर तुम क्या करोगे? कंडीशन क्या है? पहला वाला वापस करो. I will not lend you any more money.
Unless you give back
Pay
the
back.
money.
Pay back.
Pay
The
back the
old
money.
loans.
Old
Unless you
loan.
pay back the old loans,
the
right?
old loans.
You pay
Pay
back
back
the
the
old
old
loan.
loans.
तुमसे
Pay
बात
back
नहीं
the
करेगा. Will not talk to
old
you.
loan.
Unless you do your homework.
Unless you do your
I will
homework.
not talk to you. आगे दीजिए, कंडीशन दीजिए.
Unless you don't buy for me mobile.
Unless you buy me, ना. Don't buy me कि buy me.
Unless you
कंडीशन
buy me.
कंडीशन
Unless
देख रहे
you
हैं.
buy.
कंडीशन अभी मैंने सेलेक्ट कर रखा है. सारे लोग
Unless
कंडीशन
you
पे
give
नजर
up to
डालिए.
your drinking. Unless you give up
Unless you
drinking.
buy me.
Unless you buy me a phone. Yes, Sanyukta ma'am. I will not talk to you.
Unless you giving up drinking.
Unless you give up drinking. Unless you give up drinking. Very good, Sanyukta
Give up
ma'am.
Give up drinking.
एक गर्लफ्रेंड ने बोला अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को या वाइफ ने बोला हस्बैंड को, आई विल नॉट टॉक टू यू अनलेस यू गिव अप ड्रिंकिंग.
Give
या
up
उल्टा भी हो
drinking.
सकता है. हस्बैंड ने बोला अपनी वाइफ को, आई विल नॉट टॉक टू यू अनलेस यू गिव अप ड्रिंकिंग. ओके.
I don't give up unless I will be fluent in English.
लवली शुभांकर. थोड़ा सा चेंज करवाता हूँ शुभांकर. आई विल नॉट गिव अप. आई विल नॉट गिव अप. मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा.
I will not give up unless
Unless
will
I
not-
am fluent. Unless I am fluent.
I am
Unless I am
I-
Unless
Unless
I'm
I-
fluent.
Good job, Shubhankar. दोस्तों, unless. When is Apurva coming back? I'm waiting for her. Go on. Unless. Are you all there? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please think. क्या मुश्किल हो रही है? मेरे एग्जांपल्स दोहरा दो, छोड़ो. Repeat my examples. अच्छा बताइए, क्या कंडीशन है पूजा घर में जाने के लिए? पता है ना? चलिए बोलिए.
Yes.
You cannot.
You can't go to
You can't
Puja
go
Ghar unless you have bath.
to puja
Can't
ghar
enter
unless
the puja ghar
you have bath.
unless you have
You
bath.
have a bath.
You have.
और
You
भी
have a
कंडीशंस
bath.
होते हैं, और भी आप डाल सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट एंटर पूजा घर अनलेस यू टेक योर.
Shoes off.
ये
Take your shoes
Shoes
off.
off.
Shoes
ये
off.
In my house, you cannot enter the kitchen unless you take your shoes off. So, ये एग्जाम्पल बकवास एग्जाम्पल है. एंगेजमेंट होने के बाद लड़के ने कहा लेट्स किस. लड़के ने कोच नहीं, शादी जब तक नहीं. कैसे क्या बोलेगी वो? वी कैन नॉट
We cannot
Kiss
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 unless
unless
get married.
we get
We
married.
get
unless we
married.
get married. Unless we.
Unless
Get
we
Get
get
married.
married.
Unless we get married.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
Okay, good job. So we are done here. Unless. In India, आप कोई वोट करने वाला कंडीशन वाला बोल दो. बोलो यू कांट.
You
can't
can't
vote
You
vote
can't
you
vote
can't
unless
participate
unless
you
you are 18
You are
get
18.
18 years old.
18 year old.
And unless you
18 years old.
क्या दिक्कत? Unless you are 18 और क्या?
unless you are 18. You can't vote unless you are 18.
तो आप लोग देखते हो, जैसे मैं आपको याद दिलाता हूँ, हाँ हाँ सेंटेंस आपको पता है, इंग्लिश पता है, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आ ही नहीं रखा, ख्याल ही नहीं आ रहा क्या बोले, राइट? देश के आगे बढ़ने में क्या रुकावट है, उसमें एंडलेस कंडीशन दीजिए अपने अपने हिसाब से. दिस कंट्री कैन नॉट डेवलप, कैन नॉट बिकम अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री अनलेस.
Leader, the country,
दिस कंट्री कैन नॉट डेवलप
this
unless.
country can unless the
this country
unless
cannot develop unless
unless the
the
leader
people of this country get educated.
वेरी गुड शुभांकर. अलग लोग अलग अलग राय देंगे ना अपनी, राइट? दिस कंट्री कांट
The
डेवलप
corruption remove unless the corruption remove.
unless we remove corruption. Very good,
Unless we remove
very good. आगे बोलिए सब लोग अपना अपना
unless the leader get honest,
unless we elect honest leaders.
unless we elect leader.
Honest leaders. Okay. और बता भाई, कर सकते हैं ना? लिख लेंगे, कर लेंगे, आसान है, इट्स इजी. अनीश, अंशु थोड़ा एक्टिव हो जाते तो अच्छा लगता है. आयशा, he can't kiss her unless he brushes his teeth. Unless समझ में आ गया ना? तुम शादी नहीं करोगी दोबारा unless I am dead. Okay, unless I
You
die.
can't married unless I died. Unless I died. You can't marry again unless I died.
क्यों पास्ट टेंस आप क्यों बोल रहे हैं? डाइड क्यों बोल रहे
You
हैं?
can't
I
until unless I die.
हाँ, or unless I am dead. I am,
I am dead.
yeah. Okay, दोस्तों, unless से दो चार sentence बोल लेना, okay? Practice कर लेना. Other people include a man. Other people, I mean, there were not only two people, right? There was Andrew, who he only eats biscuits. There was one man who only eats meat. And
Meat
other people include a man
and
who
Who
doesn't
doesn't
like
like
eating hot food.
hot food?
Other people include a man who doesn't
who
like
doesn't
eating
like
hot
eating
food.
hot food.
Yeah, he just says no to all hot food. Says no, only cold food. I only want cold food. He only eats cold food. He doesn't
Cold
like
food.
eating
Doesn't
hot
like
food.
eating hot food.
Other people also include a woman. Other people also
Woman.
include a woman who only likes eating chips. Kya freaky eater. What a freaky eater. She only eats chips, guys. Chips, chips, chips. Chips in the morning, chips in the afternoon, chips in the evening. She only eats chips. She only likes eating chips. Other people also included a boy who lives on jam sandwiches. He lives on jam sandwiches. It means he only eats
Jam
jam.
Only
sandwiches.
jam sandwiches.
Yeah.
Yes, eats
These
jam
are
sandwiches.
freaky eaters. So, did you understand the meaning of freaky eaters easily?
Yeah.
Do you know
Other
any?
people include a man.
Uh-huh.
What is the
It
meaning going on there?
the meaning is obvious that on the show there were not only two people, no, there were lots of people. So other people on the show included a man who doesn't like eating hot food. So there was a person on the show, he only liked eating cold food. There was other people included a woman who only likes eating chips. Okay, so there was a woman on the show and she only likes eating chips. Other people also included a boy who lives on jam sandwiches. Okay.
How how could she survive only eating chips?
Gems.
Yeah. These are freaky eaters, okay? Life is strange. Imagine what plans God made for them. You know, these people eat only jam sandwiches, only chips, only meat, only meat. मुझे लगता है क्या हुआ होगा पता है? पिछले जन्म में वो आदमी ना बोला होगा हम शाकाहारी हैं, हम नहीं खाएंगे मीट वीट। तो मरा होगा तो ऊपर वाले ने कहा होगा कि बेटा तू मेरा बात नहीं माना, इतना बढ़िया बढ़िया मीट भेजे थे वहां, नहीं खाया, रुक। उसको दूसरा जन्म ऐसा बीमारी भी डाले, खाली मीट ही खा रहा है बेचारा। सो दिस इज गॉड्स वे ऑफ पनिशिंग हिम, यू नो, कि खाली मीट खा, तू खाली मीट खा। मेरी बातें कितनी सीरियस लगी, कितनी गप लगी आपको? गप लगी होगी ना? या इट वाज जस्ट मेड अप, यू नो, फॉर फन। आई जस्ट मेड अप फॉर फन, ऑफ कोर्स। पता चल जाता है कभी कभी, कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं तो पता चल जाता है, कुछ लोग को आप लोग सच मान लेते हैं, कुछ लोग को मानते हो कि झूठ बोल रहा है, मजाक कर रहे हैं। सब मजाक ही कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन आप सीरियस हो जाते हो कुछ में। ओके, चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। Other people include a man who doesn't like eating hot food. Other people also include a woman who only likes eating chips. And other people also include a boy who lives on jam sandwiches. So these kind of people were on the show. And what was the name of the show?
Freaky eaters.
TV program
Freaky
called
eaters.
Freaky Eaters.
No,
Freaky
they are
eaters.
freak eater. The program was
Called,
program called
Freaky
a
Eaters.
program called Freak Eaters.
there was a program, it was called
There was
Freaky.
a program called Freak Eaters.
Yeah. Sayumita ma'am, do you think you should go on Freaky Eaters?
No, sir.
No, because you are not a freaky eater. You are not a freak
Yes,
eater.
sir. I love everything and I eat everything.
Right. Anybody from this class should go on Freaky Eaters?
No, sir.
I never gonna be like that.
You're never gonna be like that. Do you know any Freaky Eaters people? Do you know any Freaky Eaters?
No.
No,
No.
no, sir, no.
No, sir.
They are rare. They are very rare.
Yeah.
They're rare.
That's why there was a program for them. And people watched. How can there be a person who eats biscuits, who eats chips, who eats meat all the time?
Only meat people do not eat, but
That's why, I mean, they all
I
eat
went
meat.
Kolkata, sir. I went Kolkata in my mommy house.
Sayukta ma'am,
They
you
do
went to
not take.
Kolkata. You went to
Yeah,
Kolkata.
I went to Kolkata, my mommy's house. People don't eat without chicken or meat anytime.
Right.
They eat um, mm, they eat meal with chicken and meat.
Yes, they eat meat 3 times a day, 2 times a day, right?
3 times a day
Every day.
with every day. Yes,
3 times a day, every day.
every day, 3 times a day, sir.
3 times a day and every day.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So are they all big and
But we
strong?
can't, sir. We do not eat.
Are they big and strong?
I don't know, sir.
Which you
What
said
big and strong?
no, they eat meat 3 times a day, every day. So are they big and
Yes,
strong?
yes. Except Tuesday and Thursday.
On Tuesday,
They
Thursday,
eat
they don't
every
eat.
day. They
Right,
eat every day and 3 times a day.
right. Are they are
They
they
need.
are they
Yes,
stronger
yes.
than
In
other people?
Kolkata,
Are they
sir,
stronger than other people? Are they stronger than other people?
we are also stronger, sir.
No, my question is, are they stronger than other people because they eat meat so often? Are they stronger than other people? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, some people believe that eating meat can make you stronger. So, I thought maybe because they eat meat so often, so maybe they're stronger.
No, sir. They are habitual.
Just that. Okay. All right. So that was the text, guys. And this is homework for the next day. Uh-huh.
Vocabulary.
Okay, vocabulary. Now, let's move on to this. Here you are, everybody. You have to complete the conversations with the words in the boxes. You can do it. Let's do it now. In the
Which
main
page number, sir?
the main book. Page number I don't know. What page number is it, guys? 70, 69, 69.
69. I would like some batteries, please.
What short?
Six.
This is a conversation between A and B, the first conversation. I'd like some batteries, please. This person goes to the shop and he wants to buy.
Batteries.
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 I'd like some batteries, please. Then B replies,
What
What
sort do you
sort do you want?
What short do you
what
want?
sort do you want? What sort do you want? Means what type do you want, right?
Yeah.
And then A says, double A, please. He wants a double A battery. Double A is a type of?
Batteries.
Battery.
Then B has another question. Would you like a packet of 4 or 6? The shopkeeper has another question. The customer replies, 6 is
6 is too.
This is
Too many.
Too
Six is
many.
too many.
Too many.
4 is
4 is
All.
enough.
enough.
Four is enough.
4 is
Four is
enough.
Hmm.
Enough.
Can the shopkeeper ask anything else? The customer
That's
replies,
That's
That's all.
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 That's
Thanks.
all.
Thanks.
That's
That's
all. Thanks.
that's all, thanks. Number 2, conversation number 2. This time the customer wants,
Can I
toothpaste.
have some toothpaste,
Toothpaste.
the
please?
customer
Nice.
wants toothpaste, right? The customer wants toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
He goes to the shop and talks to the shopkeeper in English. He says,
Can I have some toothpaste,
Can
please?
Can
I
I
have
have
some
some
toothpaste,
toothpaste,
please?
please?
okay, can I have some toothpaste, please? Then the
Hmm.
shopkeeper offers a choice. The shopkeeper says,
Small or large?
Small or
Small or
large?
large?
small or large.
Large.
Then
Small or
the
large.
then the customer says, the large
Large is too
Too
big.
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 The small
The
is
large
fine.
is too big. The small is fine.
Anything else?
the small is fine.
Hmm. The small is fine.
And the customer
large.
shopkeeper asks,
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
anything else? Anything
Anything
No
else?
else?
thanks. How much is
Anything
that?
No,
else?
Customer replies, no thanks. How much is that? He wants to know the price.
How much is that?
How much is that? कितना हो गया?
Hmm.
Now, the customer goes to the shop. This time the customer wants a
Nice pen.
wants a pen.
Nice.
I'm looking
Pen.
for a nice pen.
Looking
Nice
for a
pen.
pen.
Looking for a nice pen.
Nice pen. Very nice.
I'm looking for a nice pen.
This one. That's-
Okay. I'm looking for a nice pen. The shopkeeper shows a pen and
What
says,
about?
what about this one? It's 25 pounds. That's what the shopkeepers do, right? They normally
Yeah.
start with something expensive. The customer says, no, 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 no.
No,
No,
that's too much.
Much.
too
That's
much.
too much.
I don't want to spend that much.
spend that
I don't want to
much.
spend that. Then the shopkeeper shows another. This time shows something cheaper. Well, this one is
It's
12 pounds.
This one is 12.
Then the customer
That's
says,
better.
that's better.
That's better.
That's better.
Better.
That's
That's
better.
better.
And I need some pencils as well. Then the shopkeeper shows pencils. There are 10 pencils in this packet. The customer says, but I only want 2.
Only want to.
I only want 2 pencils. Then the shopkeeper says, sorry, I'm afraid I only have packet of 10. Can't sell 2 pencils. You have to buy the whole packet.
Wait.
Got it?
I'm afraid.
So this is the conversation. Guys, I'm sharing with you 8.11 as well. And I think you guys already have the audio files.
Yeah.
8.11. I shared with you the link of all the audio files, if you remember. You can download them all if you want. And I'm
Yeah.
sharing. Go ahead. Practice. I've shared a page, homework page as well. So most probably tomorrow we'll start unit 9. Okay? And remember everybody, स्लो जाने की वजह यह है कि हमारे दिमाग में ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन्स हैं, राइट? तो
Yeah.
बिना उसको क्लियर किए तो नहीं बढ़ सकते आगे. आप बस करते रहे कोशिश. आई विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. यू गाइस हैव द ऑडियो. प्लीज समय बिताइए जो भी दो उसके साथ. लापरवाह मत रहिए. लापरवाही नहीं है, कोई परेशानी नहीं है. हाँ कि ना?
Yes.
अगर आप अपना बेस्ट कर रहे हो, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है अगर 6 महीने की जगह 8 महीने, 8 महीने की जगह साल भर की जगह 2 साल. हाउ डज इट मैटर? आप अपना बेस्ट दे रहे हो ना, दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स. ओके? और याद रखना, कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए कुछ बातें सब में बराबर होंगी. जो भाषा सीखना है उस भाषा को सुनना होता है. अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, लिसन टू इंग्लिश एवरी डे. खूब सुनिए, सुनते समय दिमाग लगाइए, क्या सुन रहे हैं, वो बातें हम कैसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में, और शब्द का शब्द ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता, कहीं दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है। बस इतना ही करिए, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस टुमारो।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
बाय।
Bye-bye.
Good night, sir.
बाय, गुड नाइट।